As various brands of the COVID-19 vaccine stormed the world, so did the various forms of misinformation about them. Myths and misconceptions sprang up on social media platforms, as well as hearsays across Kenya. Using open source intelligence, we look at some of the misinformation, on what platforms they were circulating, and some of the accounts involved in the circulation of the misinformation. So I decided to use a few of the tools, including TweetDeck, to try and monitor some of the disinformation that has been circulating on Twitter specifically. And so I created several columns. There is one is COVID vaccine arrives in Kenya, COVID-19 Kenya, and Corona vaccine Kenya. And so I've had quite a number of posts concerning the vaccine. And so looking here at the column on Corona vaccine Kenya, I have a number of posts, just a few to highlight, like this particular person known as PDD. The post is, I love how Kenya called it vaccine apartheid. This corona vaccine is becoming a political tool of fight. It's what it is. Going down, let's look at another one. Domi Alvina here says that corona vaccine could be another mega scandal in the offing. In Kenya, we are used to scandals, where some unscrupulous Kenyans, in the name of entrepreneurs, will capitalize on anything, including Kenyan lives. We managed to get to the vaccination center at the Kisii Teaching and Referral Hospital to get the citizens' views on the vaccine and the vaccination process.
We've heard some of them that the vaccine spreads the COVID and some other things, but frankly, from what our understanding is and the literature that we have seen through the MOH websites and everything, this is the best way to prevent the spread of the vaccine and the best way to protect the people even around us.
Yeah, so I've heard about affecting fertility in women, affecting the menstrual cycle. I've also heard about blood clotting in some cases, about fears about dying. Yeah, those are some of the rumors that I've heard.
I heard that we are going to die. For those ones who got the first dose, even the second dose, we are going to die after 2 years.
One of the things that I, as a director, have encountered, even with senior officers or some of the people who at least are learned and able to read here and there, it is the blood clots and the fact that the West could be aiming to reduce the African population. What was in the media, in social media, about some clients, especially in the developed countries that had already received this vaccine, that some of them had developed blood clots. That was a big scare to many people. But the European Medicines Agency did some investigation, and they gave the vaccine a clean bill of health, especially the AstraZeneca Oxford type that we have in the country. And at least that gave us some confidence.
The COVID-19 vaccine is one of the widely discussed topics in the world right now. And so among the discussions, we have many speculations. And so when you get a piece of information, it's only prudent that you get an expert who will get to explain to you what the facts are and demystify the rumors. Dan Kanibundi from Kisii County.